Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and I'm talking about, does Chrome Unboxed on YouTube help a Chromebook owner? Emphatically, yes. I've got an article I pasted into the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com with references in there and the links. So this is one you want to add to your internet toolbox if you've got a Chromebook. And as I oftentimes see in the Facebook group for Chromebook owners, there's questions, okay? And going to that YouTube channel and asking very often, at least in my own experience, has provided good information. Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and I'm talking about how to add keywords on your YouTube channel. So if you've got a podcast, content creation, etc., that you're uploading into YouTube, there's a way that you can apply keywords to your YouTube channel and make it stand out more. By adding keywords to your YouTube channel, you're going to help to optimize your channel's discoverability, find out where people are looking for the keywords that go to your channel, and you get statistics to show that. This is another YouTube tip from the Guy R. Cook Report. The link is in the show notes. Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and I want to talk about enabling the professional mode on Facebook using the Chrome browser on your desktop. 3 steps, easy as cake to do. You go to your Facebook profile, you click on the menu button, you have 3 dots here on the right-hand side of the menu bar, and select Turn on Professional Mode. That's it. You're done. Now, there's an option to start exploring to see what the new features, new tools, and don't you know there's a bunch of them. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.